Inoapps are a leading global Oracle Platinum partner. We help our customers to maximise their investment in the products that they buy from Oracle. This covers the full red stack, applications, technology and hardware. We ensure that our customers maximise the value from their investment. Our growth plan is to achieve 50 million turnover by the end of 2015, 50 and 15. We've got 3 prongs to that approach: acquisition, internationalisation and of course organic growth. The Business Growth Fund invested £10 million earlier this year into Inoapps. That was to fund the growth that we need to fulfil the 50 and 15 plan.
We realised our existing finance systems were pretty inefficient for a company of our scale, so it was time to upgrade our own financial back office.
Looking at Inoapps as an investment, we were concerned about the back office systems and how the company would scale to meet its growth aspirations. However, there was a plan already in place to implement a world-class leading-edge financial solution, Oracle Fusion. And that gave us all the reassurance that Inoapps were in control of what they needed to do. Now it is live and we have made the investment in Inoapps. We've managed to open international offices with no worries about the back office systems, and we've just completed an acquisition that we've easily integrated too.
We chose Oracle Fusion because we could implement it at the pace that we wanted. It's modular and it's an enterprise class ERP. We also can implement it in the phases that we choose and maximise the use of Fusion for our acquisitions and our international expansion.
When we opened our office in Kuala Lumpur, all we had to do was a small amount of configuration and then just share the URL with the users to get them live.
Finance was our immediate need. We needed to sort out our transactional processing systems. Fusion gives us the capability to improve other areas in the business: project controls, sales and marketing, HR and talent management, and many other areas in the future. Fusion gave us the opportunity to look at our processes and implement the best of breed inbuilt processes within the application. Once we'd selected the application, we needed somebody to implement it. We of course chose the right people for the job ourselves.
We took a phased approach for the implementation, broken down into 3 key areas: transactional finance, advanced financial reporting and project controls. Our consultants had phase 1 up and running smoothly in just 2 months. This brought immediate benefits. My finance team is now using Fusion rather than spreadsheets, so there's a much quicker turnaround with a lot less doubling up and reworking.
Phase 2 brings significant benefits to Inoapps. Enhanced reporting will give us dashboards, KPIs and analytics on our financial and company information. We also take the benefit of Oracle Social Network. This will eradicate the need for email in communicating around financial transactions. The third, and one of the biggest values for the company, is mobile expenses. This will allow our staff to input and manage their expenses through their iPhone and their iPad by taking photos and keying in real time their expenses as they incur them. Phase 3 brings us project controls. This will give us much clearer accuracy on budgeting, forecasting and our actuals management. It will also allow us to deploy the application out to our staff in the field so that they have real-time reporting on their transactions and their projects. In doing this, we will get much better accuracy and visibility of our data at the company level.
We found the implementation much easier than we had imagined. The access we were given to bring in data to migrate into the database was significantly easier than we'd envisaged.
From a user perspective, the modern Fusion interface is very similar to the social apps our staff are used to using at home. This has really accelerated the learning process.
By using standardised processes and less customisation, we can significantly speed up implementation and reduce cost.
We've got 3 key learnings from this implementation of Fusion. Number 1 is that we've empowered our people to have more information at their fingertips. Number 2 is we've had a unique insight into how our customers feel and go through the projects that we work with them on. Thirdly, and most important to us, Fusion is really supporting our growth aspirations. Oracle Fusion is allowing us to transform our business, and that is allowing us to transform the businesses of our customers all around the world.